Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is we're gonna be unboxing something again, and we're gonna unbox this thing over here. This one over here came in I think last month, so it's been sitting here for a while. Didn't get any chance to open it yet, so now we're gonna open this together guys. And this thing over here is called the Zeno jewels. It comes with another box, but I already opened it, and inside that box is I have their card over here. This one has a 1-year warranty, so that's what it came. So this is the name guys, Zeno jewels. So it has a 1-year warranty, and it also comes with a silver polishing cloth. And here's the box here. We're gonna open this thing, see what it looks like. By the way guys, I have a 20% off discount code for you guys. You guys wanna check it out, their website, you can use my discount code. We'll put it down below. There you go. Wow, look at this. It looks so cute, it looks so nice. Wow, it looks fancy guys. The box is super cute. I like this one. I'm excited. So okay guys, are you guys ready? So now let's open this thing. And let's see. Oh wow, it looks so cute. Comes with this little pocket over here, the gel thing. And guys, look what I got guys. It looks super cute guys. There you go. Wow. Okay. So by the way guys, they have a bunch of engagement ring, but I did not get the engagement ring because I already have a ring over here and I want something that I can use. They have also necklaces, so I decided to just get a necklace so that I can use it, you know, because if I get the engagement ring, I don't know my size, and also I cannot use it. You guys should check it out because they have a bunch of engagement rings that is really cute and it looks really nice, and also it's affordable. Let's try it guys. I'm excited. Okay, let me take it out and we can try it. I like the size and the length of this one. I don't like to wear necklaces that is like super long. It's not really my style, and I want it simple. So this is a perfect style for me. I'm not really a jewelry person. Like, you're not gonna see me wear necklace or bracelet all the time because I'm not into it. Always forget guys. Look at this thing over here. They have like a cute details over there. Let's put it on. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it looks so cute. I like it. Wow, I really like it guys. I like this one. I feel like it really fits me, and it is my style. Simple, and I like it. It looks so fancy. Wow, it looks like it's like an expensive necklace, but this is not really that expensive. It's only like 100. I think it's 100 something. This one over here, I will leave the link down below guys for their website, and also this exact product that I'm wearing right now, and also I will link it down, my 20% off discount code for you guys if you ever want to check it out, and you can use that code and you can get 20% off. I like this one. I feel like this is really my style. It really fits me. So impressed. I think you guys should check it out. Their website is really nice guys. For the price, I think it's worth it. Comment down below guys on what you guys think. Is it nice? Do you like it? Do you like their style? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys! I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.